white,
color of beginnings, of the first breath,
of the blank page waiting to be lovingly written upon. White is purity,
its innocence,
light,
its light,
its seamless unity,
the silence that contains everything,
the calm that precedes life,
like a child's soft skin,
like the hands
that have yet to grasp the world,
the eyes that observes without judgment,
and the chest breathing without fear.
Truth lives in their perfect form.
In every line precisely traced by nature.
Contemplating it is like looking at the origin itself, white,
a sacred space
where everything
is yet to be discovered, and every movement
is a work of art.
The most magical thing is the simplest
shared moment,
laughter,
a gaze that never repeats,
with complete freedom, precision, security. Bye, love.
Bye.
Take care of your brother, and if anything happens, let me know. Write to me or call me, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
See you later. Today, it's me who's taking care, and I'm going to show you the war, okay? My love. Beauty lies in the tail.
3 legs unfolding like petals,
each with its own angle, like frame divisions made with tenderness.
Aluminium and carbon fiber.
Noble materials like the human body's determination.
When first standing by itself, isn't it just like a baby's leg?
Fragile in appearance, yet capable of bearing the entire miracle of its existence.
This tripod also supports with elegance and strength.
Its locking knobs freeze time. They control every movement, horizontally and vertically,
as if the camera breathed to the rhythm of the heart.
Its head is precision, ARCA compatible with quick release plate.
Because emotions shouldn't wait.
And its telescopic handle,
so discreet, so perfect,
makes filming as gentle a gesture.
as convening the hair of someone you love.
Small, robust,
precise.
Everything you need to capture the moment where everything begins. Some moments are irreplaceable,
and stability cannot fail.
I might aim fix a Sanga one, with a final on to help. Right up.
Hi, my love. What's up, honey? Tell me.
Mom, look, he's standing up.
Oh, my baby's walking. Oh, how beautiful, my God. Thank you, sweetheart, thank you. Show me more, show me. Oh, I wish I were there with you. Thank you, my love. Look how he moves his little legs.
Tilta.
The stability that connects moments even from miles away.